Hey guys! So today we're going to be doing the Avengers makeup collection tutorial, kind of first impressions thing. As you saw from the beginning of the video, I got my Endgame shirt on. I just went to Hot Topic today and bought it. I love the back of it. I also got 2 Harry Potter shirts, which are like really cute too. I'm so excited. They were having a t-shirt sale. Like, I love Hot Topic. And I also got a Captain America pin that I'm gonna put right here. So, I have my tickets to Avengers. I hope you guys do. On Easter, I found out at about 5:30 in the morning that there was an Avengers collection. I always, like, once a week go on Ulta and I go on their website and I go on new arrivals. And because I like to see once in a while, you know, if I get lucky and see if there's a gift with purchase. Well, I found this stuff and it was all sold out online. So I used to work at Ulta, so I emailed the general manager, or I messaged her, and I was like, oh my god, do you have this in store? And she goes, yeah, it's there. So I went on Easter, so thank you to people that work at Ulta. Thank you for working on Easter. And I got the collection and I did not swatch any of it because I was waiting for this video. And I knew I had Wednesday off, so I was gonna film it, so I'm really excited. So I got 3 things from the collection, only because I am doing the Game of Thrones collection, so I didn't want to go crazy on this. But this is the Ulta brand, and unfortunately you can't get it online anymore, but your store might still have it because I know a lot of stores were late to getting it. The one I worked at had it, but the one that is actually closer to my house didn't have anything yet for it. So they only had the cosmetic case. So get out there, get to your stores and see if they have them. But I still have all the packaging on it. This is, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is the Ulta brand, so it's cheaper. It's very affordable for this collection. This is the eyeshadow palette. It says courageous, tenacious, fearless, and legendary. And then on the back, tells you all the shade names. I'm gonna just take this covering off now. Because it is Ulta brand, and it is a little cheaper, obviously this is just cardboard. It feels like the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. And this is how it looks when you open it. I love it. The only thing that could have made it better, obviously, is a mirror, but to keep the price down, I understand. It's just stressful that there's no mirror. But I love these colors so much. So I'm going to read them. Hero Vibes, Amazed, Out of This World, Smash. I've Got This, Built for Battle, Legend, Last Shot, Gauntlet, Game Changer, Save the World, Supercharged, Cosmic, Reassemble, and Fearless. The only thing that could have made it better is if they had the word Infinity or Infinity Stones, or if they had each different Infinity Stone in there. That could have made it better. Or each person's name could have been something, like everyone's name could have been something, or locations. Like on the back of my shirt there's the locations. I think that's the one thing that could have been a little better. My favorite though is probably, for name wise, Gauntlet and Smash, only because Smash is green, so Hulk, Smash, and Gauntlet obviously, but the rest of it I feel like there could have been something. The names could have been better, like they could have been better created. I don't know, I just don't feel like the names really were that intriguing, but I like it a lot. I'm going to do a close-up for you guys of the palette. So if you haven't seen it yet, they're just so pretty. Like, I just absolutely like love the colors. I think they're gorgeous. But yeah, this one was 20 bucks. And this says Stronger Together, and it is the highlighting palette. So again, haven't opened this. Oh, it just slides. Okay. And this one, again, I was not impressed with the names of this. And again, there's no mirror, and it looks like just one of those Anastasia palettes. Prepare to be Amazed, Become a Legend, Best Never Rest, and Visionary. That doesn't do anything for me. Like, the names just suck. I feel like I would have been more intrigued if the names said other things. Like, again, if there was 5 highlighters in here instead of 4, you could do the 5, or there's 6. Oh my god, I'm feeling weird. 6 Infinity Stones, 5 Infinity Stones. I'm spacing right now. You could either do 5, you should have done either 5 or 6, and you could have done the Infinity Stones or something like that. So I think that would have been really cool. And then the other thing I got was the matte liquid lipstick. And this one is in the color I've Got This. Like, that doesn't do anything. Like, I hate the names. Please, if you're gonna do this again, at some point change the freaking names. And then one of my best friends was like, asked me to pick her up one thing too. So this I got her, and this is the Lip Gloss and Dream Team, which could have been like named Guardians or something like that. Yeah, so this is her color. I'm not gonna open it, but it is really freaking gorgeous. So that's that. So I am going to start out with trying out the eyeshadows, which is this like yellowy cream shade all over my lid to start with. Just to kind of, ooh, that is really pigmented. Like really pigmented. Supercharged. And Supercharged is this like really pretty mauvey color right here, which I'm really excited about. So we're gonna grab some of that. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback. If you guys could see this, there is a lot of kickback on this. I feel like this is not gonna be pigmented, but we're about to find out. Actually it's not awful, but it's not super pigmented, which is okay because this is just a starting color. I don't want to go super crazy with it right now. I mean, it's not awful, but it's very, very, like the pigment is. This brush is a Real Techniques shader brush from the Diamond Crush collection. I love this shader brush. I was gonna use all Luxie brushes, but to be fair, all my brushes are dirty right now, so I really need to clean them. But this is okay. I'm gonna get some more on this side. The Gauntlet. I'm gonna go in with Gauntlet. I really like this color right here. So we're gonna go in with Gauntlet. See, it doesn't pick up a lot, and then once you tap it off, it really releases. So that's gonna suck a lot. So like this. This is really kind of crap. Like the glitters are really crappy to blend. So luckily, this glitter isn't that glittery. It's not picking up much glitter. I kind of like that. I'm going to use a little bit of Cosmic. I think I'm going for a more purpley look in this, I'm assuming. Okay. I'm going to use Cosmic and really sort of deepen right here. Ooh, this is chunky. Ew, do you see that? That is not blending. Okay, we're gonna take a Mazed again and really try to blend that crap out. So now we're gonna go in, and I'm really excited for this color. We're going in with Hero Vibes. I really want to try to just dab it on with my finger. I think that's gonna be the best way to get this one to work. It is such a pretty, vibrant, like, fire. It reminds me of like a Hunger Games color. So let's try this. It is not really going on well. Inner corner of the eye, I'm actually going to go in with Save the World because it's going to look really, really pretty. And again, I'm going to use my finger just because I think that's going to bring out it more a little bit. So, it's actually not really as vibrant as I thought. So this is not a very vibrant palette. Okay, so So I got the mascara on, so this is the finished eye look. Again, not super crazy about it, wasn't really in love with anything. But the next thing we're going to do is the highlighting palette. And I'm really excited. I want to try out 2 different shades. I want to do the Best Never Rest and Prepare to be Amazed. I don't know which one I'm going to like best though. I think they're going to look good together. So I'm going to start with Best Never Rest. I think these 2 are a little too dark for me, so we're going to go with these 2. So I'm going to take a little bit of a bigger brush and start with Best Never Rest. And considering what I saw with the eyeshadows, I'm not expecting these to be. I have no expectations at all for this. Like, I had expectations for Ulta, but I don't really anymore. Yeah, I don't even see it really. I don't really see much anything. Okay. That was nothing. So we're gonna try with my fan brush now. I just tried with the Luxie Precision brush. Now I'm gonna try with the Morphe fan brush, and we're gonna try Prepare to be Amazed. I don't know if I can even pick up any product. That actually went on a little bit better. And because it's a little brighter, that has some serious glow right there. Okay, so the top color really works well for me with the fan brush. Wow. Yeah, I'm impressed. The only thing that I don't like about this, and I will say this, it's very powdery. It's very chalky. So if you have really dry skin, this is just gonna cling to every dry spot. And it's powdery. I'm not a huge fan. I feel like that would be a really pretty like eyeshadow color too. Obviously I'm gonna keep it. It's a collector's thing, but girl, that highlight's not that bad. So that wasn't terrible. Definitely better, but from what I saw with the eyeshadow, I wasn't expecting much anyway. We're gonna go in with the lipstick now, the liquid lipstick. I don't really know how it's gonna go, so kind of on my own for trying here. Okay, so it doesn't have a smell, doesn't smell like cupcakes or vanilla, and it didn't go on it that patchy, so this could be the good part of this. And I do like the applicator. Oh, the pagers are going off. My parents are firefighters. If you can hear those, it's the pagers. So this applicator, okay, so the applicator actually is a little weird. So the applicator dips down like this, and it's supposed to form, ignore the eyeshadow, it's supposed to conform to your lips, but my bottom lip is a little bit bigger, so it doesn't really get the way I want it to, so I feel like I have to flip it around to really kind of get it precise. I'm not a fan how it clips in like that. If it didn't clip in like that and it was a normal doe foot, that would be totally okay. It feels sort of tacky, like a liquid lipstick is sort of tacky. Yeah, no, it's staying pretty well. I like it. Oh, tackiness went away. I like it. And it's kiss proof. So this is the best part of the whole collection. So coming forward a little bit, like coming backwards, I actually don't mind the way this turned out. The eyeshadows were super hard to work with, so I don't think it'd be something that I'm going to use every day. It's cool, yes, and I think I'm going to like it more as a collector's thing. It's not something I'm going to be like, oh my god, I need to do your makeup with this, or try this on someone else. No. I can recreate an Avengers look like this with something else I have. Highlighting palette is okay. I'll probably use that first shade and then either give it away, pass it along, or get rid of it. But this, I really like it so far. I wish I could try out the lipstick, but again, it is not mine. It dried down fairly well when you swatched it. It dries down fairly well. So I do like that. But yeah, like, kiss proof. Yep, kiss proof. That was awesome. I do like how it's kiss proof. It's not so matte that it looks like it's not clinging to every dry spot on my lips, and I just really love the finish of it. So the lipstick wins. I might go grab another color of this because I really like these. I'll see how long it lasts, see how this wears. It's really late in the day, but I'll see how it wears, just to, you know, give it a shot. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys love Endgame. I know I'm going to be really excited, and I hope I love it too. So yeah, bye.
I fought my way out of that cave. Became Iron Man. Realized I loved you. I know I said no more surprises, but I was really hoping to pull off one last one.
The world has changed. None of us can go back.